My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder.
Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mita, and if you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And if you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that thumbs up or thumbs down. Engagement is engagement, and we accept it all, Miss Thing. It's been a minute. Let me catch up. So yeah, guys, today we will be doing Daniel's room, and we will be putting LED lights on the ceiling. He wants LED lights on the ceiling, but of course. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did his ceiling lights, and I'm gonna take you along on the journey. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. Bye. So Daniel wants lights running up around his room, all the way around. So we did a test run. I got some, what are these called again, babe? Crown moldings. And we did this one and this one. We'll link it down below in the description if anybody's interested. And then we got lights. We got these lights. They're about what, 16 feet there?
Yeah.
About
60
60 feet
of lights.
So we got these lights. They play with music and all that, and you can get the app and you can control it from your phone. So we're just doing a test run right now. We put Gorilla Glue, and because this is popcorn, we secured it with the hot glue gun on top of the Gorilla Glue and the double-sided tape, just to make sure it holds. Babe, what is this, plastic? Or
yes.
PVC?
No, yeah, PVC. I guess,
PVC?
yeah.
Okay.
Plastic.
So that's PVC. We were worried about this popcorn wall. I will come back and update you guys how this worked out tomorrow. We literally just put it up. We Gorilla Glued it and has double-sided tape. Tomorrow I'll show you guys the process. But this is just a test run. We want to know if it'll hold up like this or we have to do something else. We didn't want to put everything up and then boom, we wake up and there's a hot mess in here. So it feels pretty firm and secure. So I will update you guys tomorrow. Yeah, this is gonna look cool. So this is day 2. This is my husband. Say hi, babe.
Hello.
And he has, what's this called, babe?
A miter box.
A miter box. And basically it cuts angles so that the crown moldings will line up on the edges. Like the angles will line up. I don't know, guys. I'm speaking in tongues. This is not my area of expertise, but I'm learning as I go. And then it comes with this saw thingy. So what he does is he measures it to make sure that it lines up with the wall and the space on the wall that he's going to put it. Then he marks it with a pen. And what we found out, because we were cutting the angles, and so they were ending up too big. So we realized that you have to measure, you don't measure from angle to angle, like point to point. You have to measure from inside to outside. So that was something we learned along the way. He said if he had a table saw, he'd do this in 5 minutes. Chop saw. What? What you say?
Come on, baby, come on, I need your help.
Okay. He needs me to hold this. I gotta hold this, guys. Stop, guys. I gotta stop clowning around. This is serious. This is serious. This is serious, guys.
So 23 and 5/6 inches is what I need it to be. And a little point to point, so I make it grow a little.
Yeah.
I'll make it a little bigger and cut down.
No. Just put it at 25. Put it where it's supposed to be.
And then I gotta cut one angle first.
Oh, yeah. Okay, make it bigger, yeah.
So I'm making it a little bigger.
Yeah, make it a little bigger. You're right. Sorry,
Thanks.
my bad.
Thanks, boss.
Don't listen to me. Those are the LED RGB lights. I think I showed you guys that yesterday. Then I have my glue gun for the popcorn wall. We like to add additional glue just to hold it in place. So now what I do is I basically hold, I guess, this for him. And it holds it in place. What is it? What's the matter?
You want to use that side to hit the popcorn wall.
You want to use this corner?
It's factory.
Oh, okay. So go on.
Okay.
So move it.
The popcorn one is 26.
Turn it around.
I know. I'm gonna cut this piece off
Why?
for the popcorn wall.
Oh.
Keep that.
Oh, okay.
And then I'll do the cutting.
Okay, he wants this one for the popcorn wall because it's gonna attach here
26.
perfectly because they're both cut the same, and it comes from the factory like that. So, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is his laser thingy, and it just basically lets us know that we're putting everything even. And you see how it comes already flat? So he doesn't want to cut a piece and attach it there. He wants the factory preset. That way they just flush together. Like we put a piece up over there and you can't tell where they start and where they meet. That is not one whole piece. So that's what he likes to do. So yeah. Yeah, guys, I can't wait. We got to do all of these, man. Dan, you better love us.
Baby.
Coming.
Grab that little boy.
Okay, I'll have to grab this. Look, he got it. Got it, bro. He got it, bro.
I'll cut that one right now. Bro.
He's gonna cut this one right now.
Oh, shit.
Okay, guys, I'll be back. I gotta help him. Okay, guys, so now he is going to attach that one to that one. He's kind of taking his time because he wants to make sure it's all level. That's why we have the laser, because even if the wall's crooked, the laser is always going to keep it straight no matter what. And then he bangs it just to secure it in place.
Baby, go get your hot glue gun.
And then this, we use the hot glue gun underneath because we use the hot glue gun underneath because it's a popcorn wall. And so we have to be careful and make sure that that stays up. Because the popcorn wall, what? What'd you say?
What? What you say?
The popcorn wall is really sketchy. And you never know how that's gonna go, you know? Okay, guys, so let me just plug in. So I plugged in the glue gun. Now it's heating up. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go underneath the bottom of it. Like you see those tiny little gaps, and I'm gonna put the glue gun in there just to secure it, to hold it overnight while the Gorilla Glue and the tape cures.
Yep. Looks good. All right, baby, do your job. Do your job.
I'm waiting for the glue gun to heat up. Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna put the glue gun underneath where I see any gaps. And this is just gonna help keep it in place. And I can see there's a lot of gap between this one, more than the other one actually.
Is it catching it? Is it
Yeah.
touching both? Yeah?
It's touching it, but barely.
No, I'm saying the glue gun.
Yeah,
It's
the glue
filling the
gun.
void?
Yeah, it's filling it
Okay, good.
nicely.
That's good.
The beads that I'm putting in.
There you go. Look at my baby hard at work. She's doing that thing, baby. Do it. Do that damn thing.
And then like I just pulled some glue out of here.
Uh-huh.
The next day after it cures, you can pull the glue out. If anything's showing, like this one was showing, and this is from like a couple days, well, 2 days ago. And I was able to just yank the glue out.
And how does that one feel? Tight? Good?
This one, yeah, this ain't going nowhere.
Solid? Alright, cool. So
I'm just gonna put one more bead over here because there's like, it's not even touching on that corner.
okay.
And that's it.
Good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright. There
And
you
I'm
go,
only
guys.
doing this on the popcorn wall because it's a popcorn wall. It can be challenging to get it to adhere with Gorilla Glue and wait, what? Wait, I was gonna say Gorilla
Double-sided
Glue.
tape.
Hey, my hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move.
That's just wrong. That's so wrong.
I have to say, you can't speak about Gorilla Glue no more without saying that. Okay. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you the products that we're using. This is the miter box. It comes with the saw, and this is good for cutting angles, right? Then my husband has this Gorilla Glue heavy duty construction adhesive. And this is all the stuff it's good for. So this is some heavy duty stuff. And then we're also using this sticky tape. What's this called, babe?
Double-sided tape.
Double-sided tape. It's not regular double-sided tape though. What is this?
No, like pressurized double-sided tape.
It's pressurized double-sided tape, guys. But it's what we like is that it's thin. So as you can see, we put it on the thin edge, and then the rest we put the Gorilla Glue. And these crown, what are they called?
Crown moldings.
These crown moldings are very light. They're made out of plastic. They're very light, and we were sure to get something plastic because we wanted to make sure that it would be light and we didn't have to drill any holes in the wall, because our walls, they're so weird. Like, some we can drill holes, some we can't. When I put up this curtain, it was so hard to put that track into the ceiling, guys. You don't know what we went through to do that. Like, I made this a whole closet in the day room. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to be as informative as possible. I will link everything in the description, guys, so you can get it. And he is using a caulking gun for the glue. Afterwards, we are going to fill in the cracks where the two pieces meet. We're going to fill it with this. He got this in the hardware store. This is crack proof, maximum flexibility adhesion, premium molding, and trim sealant. So we're going to be using this for where the crown moldings meet. There's little cracks. Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. And we're just going to use a little bit. So you can see there, that tiny crack, the 2 points where they meet. I want to fill that in because I don't want that to be visible. So that's what that is for. And I didn't see anybody do this, guys. We're kind of just learning as we go. I had a vision, and my husband helps me bring my visions to life. And for the first time, we're working together and we're not fighting. So it's great. So yeah, guys, I will show you when we are done. He's struggling because he's not a lefty. If not, it would have been cut already.
We took turns. Now she's taping it. I got a little break on the tape. She's a professional. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Tape is nice and straight. Look at that. I think it looks better than what I did. Shit. Oops.
So now, guys, what we're doing, this is the last piece we have to put up. And what we're doing is we're going to drill a hole here so I could feed the RGB light wires through here. I have to feed the wires through here. We want it to look pretty seamless. So we're going to aim to make the hole as small as possible. And we're going to pre-hang the wires down here.
Oh, he has a shotgun.
We're going to pre-hang the wires.
Ah!
Daniel! Daniel's playing. What are you playing?
Warzone.
Warzone, okay. So we're going to pre-hang the RGB wires here until tomorrow that all of the baseboards dry. Not baseboards, sorry, crown moldings dry. I'm going to fluff up the cotton so that you can't see the wires because I'm trying to make it as seamless as possible for Daniel. So, yeah. Stay tuned, guys. One more piece left. I'm so happy. Then we're going to caulk everything. Any imperfections, some cracks you see we have showing because these walls, girl, they so uneven and we is not professionals. So we're just going to fill in these little cracks and give it like a really seamless look. So stay tuned. You excited, Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I want to show you the finished product. The lights on the ceiling are from Daniel's disco ball over there. I replaced it so that the disco lights can go on the ceiling. But this is the finished look of his ceiling lights. Of course, they're gonna look a lot better in the night. He has them on fade mode right now, so they fade. He could put it on music mode where it could go to the sound of the music. So I'm gonna just bring you around so you guys can see what it looks like. And he's just really loving them. He is so happy. And I'm just happy for him. So that's pretty much an overview. See if I can get back so you guys could really get a nice look at it. And that's as much as I can get in one shot, guys. But it just came out so nice. I love the crown moldings. I love that you cannot see the lights. You do have some dots showing. As you can see there, they're really minimal, but there's like nothing you can really do about that. I could have got different moldings, but this was like the most affordable option. So yeah. I had bought these crown moldings on Amazon. These crown moldings ended up costing me about $200, I think, somewhere around there. And then the RGB lights that I bought because of all the settings was about $60 on Amazon. I'll link everything down below for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. And that's his ceiling, those are his disco lights. Isn't that cute? Yeah, he loves it. Go Daniel. And then I position his disco ball down there so that it can show on the ceiling for him. Yeah. So I think I did a good job, guys. So if you made it this far through the video, comment down below and say, light it up. And let me know that you saw the whole video and you really like how the project came out, because I love it. I love doing projects. I love designing rooms. I love designing them wholeheartedly. However, I don't like doing the construction part of it, but having my husband help me and working with him was just such an amazing experience. For the first time, we didn't argue. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.